Wow. I don't know what it tastes like.
Like the best thing ever, to be honest.
We got an ule and an urap, so things that we've never had before. Okay guys, so just stopped, got foods here. Wow. Yeah, from a nice place down there called Sasak Warung and Cafe. Okay guys, so here we are. I think this is the rawan, because rawan's more of a soupy thing as far as I remember. And this is the rendang. So both beef, and very beefy today.
Very good.
They smell amazing. Let's give it a try. This is the rawan. I did ask for like mild spicy. Not soft spicy, but mild.
Okay, good.
Yeah. But that's really good. Loads of flavour in the rawan. Like coconut. Yeah, it's very like coconutty, garlic. I can see some onion, yeah, bits of beef, obviously. Beans. There are some chilies in there. And some green stuff.
Oh gosh, that's amazing.
What, too spicy? Yeah, that's alright. No, that's good. Okay.
Yep. Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's so good.
They're both really good. Well, I haven't actually tried this one.
Yeah.
Excuse me. And this is the rendang, I think.
That's really
Wow.
good.
Okay, so that's kind of maybe got quite similar. I think this has got like more of a soury, like more of a tamarind taste maybe. I think it might have tamarind in it. Oh, I just got a raindrop.
It's like real food.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, Lombok was always more cloudy, no?
That's really good. And I can't remember which one was it. One was 50 and one was 40, basically.
Rawan.
Yeah, rawan's good.
It's a soup. But it's so much more flavor than the one in Jakarta.
Maybe.
Oh, wow. I wish I could learn how to do this.
Okay guys, it's all gone. Well, apart from the styrofoam, I don't think that ever disappears. But the food, good, very good.
So
It was called Sasak Cafe and Warung. Just out on the main road here. And they did have like a few others that were kind of like Lombok special or like this region special, for example. Things that I'd never seen on the menu before, which I'm very happy with because I was getting sick of the same thing over and over again. So now we're gonna just chill out a little bit. Looks like Lombok is a bit cloudier. I've heard some like interesting bird noises. I haven't seen any interesting birds particularly. There was one there actually, a little yellow one. But it's gone now. But yeah, it sounds like there's parrots and things around. Maybe, I might be wrong. Anyway, if we find a parrot, I'll let you know. If we find something else to do, I'll let you know. Ta-da! Showered, shaved, warm shower. Wow. And fresh water. I mean, probably not drinking water, but still just not salty water. Probably wouldn't drink it. I mean, yeah, you basically can't drink any other water in Indonesia, more or less. Anyway, shaved as well. Hot water makes all the difference. Washed all the, I guess, 2 weeks of salt water finally off me. Feel a bit fresher. I think we're just doing a bit of relaxing. See, Ashley's just there. Relaxing here. She's just about to relax. So yeah, for I think the afternoon we're just chilling for a bit. I think later tonight, I guess we are going somewhere for the sunset. So yeah, things are happening. Things are still happening. Just for now, nothing is happening. But for you, don't worry, something will happen. Okay guys, we're back on the road again. Da-da-da-da. Gonna go down to the beach. Asha hasn't seen the beach yet. We're gonna go down, maybe watch the sunset down there. Maybe get some food, but maybe we'll get food later. So So it looks like the sun is kind of coming down again on another day. Another day, another day. Here we are in Senggigi. Very nice. It is a lot quieter than, well, anywhere.
Oh yeah.
Bali, Nusa. Well, no, Nusa is pretty quiet. Gili, you know, it's so much bigger. Wow. I feel like you got more space on the beach, which is nice. Very nice. And I do like these mountains as well. You probably can't see them behind the trees, but they're out there. They're out there. It does look like, you know, the kind of waves are kind of doing something. The possible surf situation. But it is up, look, it does look like it's all rocks. Like beyond the sand is here. Kind of where it's crashing, it looks like it's all rocks. So that's a bit annoying. I was hoping like the sand would continue on forever and ever. But no. Anyway, when we find something, we'll let you know. So we're just going all the way to the end of the beach here. And look, I mean, you know, basically you can now see the beach in its entirety all the way down. Oh, ho, ho. The water is a lot colder. The water is a lot colder than Gili T. I mean, it's still probably manageable, but with the with the wind, you know, with the wind chill factor, no. I mean, it's still quite hot. But, you know, the sun's going down. I think it is supposed to be cooler over here as well. Like Gili T is supposed to be hotter than like both Bali and Lombok. But yeah, and the water is definitely colder here. But still, looks amazing. It's nice to be able to kind of walk along the beach, at least along the sand, and not have to worry about all the coral. We're just going to head down this way somewhere and maybe stop and have our bountiful snack attack supply thing. Yes. Okay guys, let's try these things. So ingredients: ginger, peanut, sugar and coconut. Wow. Go on. Oh, they're tiny.
But what is that?
I just told you. Ginger, peanut, sugar and coconut. I thought there were going to be more chips. I didn't realize they're each individually packaged like this.
Yeah.
I thought they were going to be like...
Nowadays. More healthy nowadays. Nice to have a little bit.
Very good, very sweet. Very, very good. Made with MB11 Bulgarian cultures.
Bulgarian.
Bulgarian, all the way from Bulgaria.
Bulgarian yogurt is really, really good.
Yeah, it's okay. Doesn't taste alive though. I don't think it's alive. But still, it's alright. Bulgarian. Okay guys, well, we're gonna get in on the snacks, enjoy the sun, and leave you alone. Bye. Okay guys, apologies for the wind if you're getting like wind interference. The sun is, well, look at it. I mean, it's going behind the clouds. We thought it was going to be a nice one. It might still be actually. It might kind of come back up. Yeah. We can see a bit of the mountain there. But we're here. We don't have a table, but we are eating here. There's the warung up there. It's called... It's called Nuff Said. As in, enough said. Don't know how much of that you got, but I'm going to keep saying it. So I ordered, we got an ule and an urap. So things that we've never had before.
Ule, urap.
So I think that's Asha's new song. Coming soon, coming out soon.
I think it's your song.
It could be my song. Urap. Ule. Yeah.
Maybe I will write a song and you just be a back vocals.
Yeah, so we're doing that and we're waiting for the sun to set over here, as you can see.
You can hear the mosque in the back, which is really nice.
You can hear the mosque in the background.
Yeah, we can hear it. It's different a bit than we've heard in Java, because it feels like it's more storytelling, and you said it was different language.
Yeah, There might be a different language, maybe because it's Sasak.
Yeah, Sasak.
Sasak? Yeah, maybe. Also, obviously, we've got the waves splashing. Anyway, when the food comes, I'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully, I don't dig a hole. We don't have a table. We don't have a chair.
We have, look.
Because we
There we go.
preferred to have the sunset. Okay, guys. So we got the food. Look, this is
Urak.
urak.
No, ole.
I think we've confused it. I'll try and find out or remember what they were. There's ule, and udak.
Urak.
No, it's udak. Urak. So this is like coconutty. I think they're both really coconutty. Actually. They're both coconut. Just gonna try it. Wow. Yeah. Very different. I don't know what it tastes like. It's kind of like a white, as you can see, like a white sauce. But I don't know why. I think there is coconut. But maybe it's like coconut water. Yeah, really interesting. And both vegetables, like carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, greens.
I think this is with coconut, like real coconut.
Yeah, so that's with coconut, like coconut.
Really, and like bean sprouts.
Okay, gotta eat it, guys. There's flies getting all over it. What does it taste like?
Well, I can feel the coconut mash, which is kind of like nutty, and then everything is like really well cooked, but not fried, just cooked, which is I love. So it's like a warm salad with beans, carrot, cabbage, and broccoli. So it's like the best thing ever, to be honest. You don't find it in Java.
Yeah, there's not many vegetables in Java. But yeah, here it seems like they've got like loads of vegetable things, which maybe is like, to do with maybe the climate or like the soil here, which is a bit better. And look, the sunset is happening. Okay, we're gonna eat. There are flies and now actually birds swooping. So we're gonna eat this food and watch the sunset. Yeah, so we finished our food. The sun is setting. Look, it's amazing. You can see, I'm not sure if you can see there. But yes, food. Except for the people trying to sell you stuff again. It was quite nice. Who needs a table when you got sand? Hey? Who needs a table when you got sand? And the sunset. I think all that was only something like 60,000 or something. Cheap. Cool, guys, we're gonna watch the sunset. Catch you in a bit. Bye. Okay, guys, well, we've still got a bit of sunlight, daylight left before the sun completely sets. I'm going to say goodbye. Oop. Goodbye.
Salamat malam.
Yes, salamat malam. And that's kind of goodbye from Lombok, our first night on Lombok. Seems quite nice.
Yeah,
Seems quite
look at
nice.
the sunset.
Definitely feels different. There's a different feel, I think, to the people, to the place, to the trees.
A bit more a realistic human being point of view.
Yeah, maybe. They're saying goodbye to you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Comment down below. Ashes doing the sunset. Yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you thought, where we should go, where other people should go. We're only kind of gonna be around the Senggigi area for like the next couple of days, just because we don't have much time left even in Indonesia. We need to obviously get out before our visas expire, so yeah, we've got a few days here, but we may come back depending on how Lombok treats us for this time.
I think we'll come back.
Yeah, I mean, even just to explore it a bit more, I mean, this is the size of Bali, and we're giving it about 3 days, 4 days, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, let us know even for when we come back, like where to go, what to do.
We can go to waterfalls. We can go to Rinjani. We know there's some islands on the other side that looks like Maldives.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah, there's the
there's
Maldives.
Kuta Beach.
Kuta Beach.
That's our driver recommended.
Yeah, so that's south.
That's like 4 places that we need to go. So
Yeah.
at least 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So that would be really nice. And also, I really would like to stay very city of this place.
Yeah.
Because it looks amazing, really beautiful bays with seafront. So for now, I'm really excited, and the food is the best. So
Yeah. I mean, it's nice to have some different food, that's for sure. Yeah. Cool. So that's it, guys. That's it. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.